All right, that's all you need to do the oil change. 74 millimeter oil filter socket, 15 flute, 6-inch 3/8 inch drive extension, 3/8 inch ratchet, 15 millimeter socket, a funnel, your choice, a bucket to drain, make sure to hold at least 5 quarts, and if you so choose, brake clean off your drain plug area, and a shop rag or a paper towel or a towel to clean up when you're done. All right, first let's pop the oil fill cap off so we have a smoother flow coming out. Now we're going to remove the drain plug with the 15 millimeter socket. Break it loose. All right, now that the oil's done, I'm gonna grab our drain plug again and wipe her down a bit. Reinstall our drain plug. Let's pull the oil out, boy. Just a quick little nudge to make sure it's tight. Just like that, no tighter. And now we're gonna take and spray it off a little. Make sure it's all cleaned up. Now we gotta remove our oil filter right here. Get the socket around here. Get it nice and snug. Break her free as she is spinning because I only installed her hand tight last time. The Chevy was nice enough to put a little drain catch right here. Let's wipe it down a bit. Grab it out of this used oil. Wipe it around the seal. Some people prefer new oil, but in my opinion, they both work just as well. Let's reinstall this filter. Remember guys, we don't need to use an impact or anything, just hand tight, and we're good to go. But first, let's clean the rest of this up a little bit. Alright, we're going to use this high mileage 5W30 by Valvoline, 2.9 liter, 2011 Chevy Colorado, takes 4.9 quarts. So let's get started. All right, 4 quarts down, last 0.9 quarts to go. should be about good. Now we just gotta reinstall our oil fill cap. Start it, check for leaks, check the level, reset, and we're good. All right, as you can see, we have the truck running. No leaks. Let's go. Gotta check the flute. And levels are good. Alright, let's close the door. If you see it's your oil alive, you're gonna want to go on, turn it on, let it go. Click your little toggle here. Hold. Those beeps let you know it's done. Cycle back through, turn your car off. And that, guys and ladies, is how you do an oil change on a 2011 Chevy Colorado. Thank you for watching.